Today I'm going to be showing you how to build my Lego tractor. Let's get started. Try to destroy the whole thing. If I can, it's kind of hard. Kind of hard to get some pieces out. Okay, so I'm done destroying the pieces. Starting off, we're gonna need to make a little base, but sorry about that, guys. My phone fell. I'm gonna start off with the 2x8. Place some wheels. Like that. Should be one stud opening. You're gonna do the same thing on the back. Oh shoot. It's hard to build some slow stuff with one hand. So that's how it should look like right now. Gonna need a 2x2 plate right there. Another one. Just stack them on like that. Gonna need one of these weird pieces. Man, I hate these wheels. Hold on. Okay. Then we're gonna place one of these pieces in the back. That. And you're gonna place two more. Okay, wheels, you're making me mad. Or pissing me off. So I'm just gonna put the wheels at last. So this is how it should look like right now. And another one. Place it. Like that. That's how it should look like. Now we're gonna have to put a 1x2, no, yeah, and then one of those 1x2s. That's how it should look like. And you're gonna put a 1x2 jumper plate right there. Put two of these. 2 and do 1 by 2. So this is how it should look like. And you're gonna grab one of these 1 by 2 clear, the backsplash. Place it on the top of the 1 by 2. And the steering wheel is like that. I'm going to place it right there. Make sure there's a 1 by 2 opening. And one of these weird pieces. Place it on like that. But on the left side. And you're going to put one of these 1 by 2 barrel pieces and put it on the right side. And just put the seat like right there. And just gonna put the tires. As you can see, that's my mess of Legos. Because I used all my Legos. And there you have it. There's a little tractor, and this pissed me off, and so I'm going to throw it. It went all the way over there. Thank you for watching.